video, I want to explain how to calculate the distance of the chord from the center of a circle. So this is part of circle geometry. This is the aspect you need to understand before solving circle geometry, where we want to talk about the theorems of circle geometry. The angle at the center is twice the one at the circumference, the sum of the supplementary. But this is the what started, and this is what you need to understand about circle, about the chord. How do we get the meaning of chord? How do we use it to calculate the radius and the distance from the center to the chord? So let's solve this question. So the question says that the radius of a circle is 10 centimeter. The length of a chord of the circle is 16 centimeter. Calculate the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. So the first procedure that you are going to do, you will draw the circle. Let's draw it as small as it is. So this line, it is what we call chord. This is a line that we call chord. Let the center here, we have A, O, B. So AB, it is the length of the chord. Now, let's say the radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. So anytime you draw a line from the center to meet where the chord is, we call it the radius, which is 10 centimeter. So this is the radius, and it said the length of the chord is 16 centimeter. So meaning that from here to here, you see, this is 16 centimeter. So let's try to find, let's call here M. So if from AB is 16, AM will be 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, because it's, why do you have the authority to do that is because the distance from the center to the chord, it is perpendicular. So it divides the line into two equal parts. So since the moment it divides the line into two equal parts, and the question says that calculate the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. So let's consider triangle AOM. So let's draw it again, and let's have this. So this is the triangle AOM. We have been given here to be 8 centimeter, here to be 10 centimeter. This is line OM. And line OM, it symbolizes the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. So this is OM. This is not the line OM in a bigger form. So now, if I want to find the value of OM, we now apply what we call Pythagoras rules. At Pythagoras rules, let us to know that if this is hypotenuse, it said hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So this is the law of Pythagoras. You don't need to say A squared is equal to B squared. Many people miss it through that. What you need to know, it is to just say that hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So let's start with our hypotenuse. 10 squared is equal to, you can choose anyone to be opposite. You can say that line OM squared plus 8 squared. So let's try to 100 is equal to line OM squared plus 64. So let's continue from this side and go to, so let's try to shift 64 to this side to have 100 minus 64 is equal to line OM squared. So we have 36 is equal to line OM squared. So if 36 is equal to line OM squared. You can also say that line OM squared is equal to 36. So let's find the square root of the both sides. Square root of, so if I'm finding the square root of the both sides, we have something like this. Line OM squared is equal to root 36. So this root will cancel this. It will remain OM is equal to 6 centimeters. So meaning that from our questions, it said calculate the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. So which is OM, and the OM is 6 centimeters. So it means that it is the distance of the chord. This is the distance of the chord from the center of circle is 6 centimeters. So this is the solution for the these are questions. So don't forget to share this video, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe and turn on your notification, so anytime I'm releasing a video, you're able to be notified immediately. So thanks for watching.